This initial solution will show you how to enable JavaScript on Chrome. To view Google Ads on a website, you have to activate the JavaScript in your browser. So first of all, open your Chrome browser and click on this three dots and go to Settings. Click on Privacy and Security and click on Site Settings. Scroll down and search for JavaScript. Once you get it, click on it. And to enable JavaScript, you have to select this one. Sites can use JavaScript. And this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Initial Solution. See you in the next video.